Yes, sir. First of all, let me start off by saying, yo, what it be? It's your boy Second Chance, but you already know. Yeah, so I'm not a YouTube rookie, but I am a tech YouTube rookie, because technically this is my first tech YouTube desk setup review, tour setup. Anyways, on to the next, so don't judge me. This is my first time. Please help. But okay, so I'm gonna be a little bit all over the place, seeing that it is my first time. I'm not really sure how to structure the video. I didn't watch the 1001 different desk setups, but I'm not trying to do something that's the same as the rest of everybody else. You know, I'm trying to be different. I'm trying to diverge. It ain't the regular. You know, I like to diverge. I'm trying to be a little above average. I'm not trying to follow the trends. But I think we should just hop right into it. So let's go. Okay, so by the way, it's gonna be mad links in the bio.
Yo, link me, bro. I'll link you anything, bro. I got the links, bro. Trust.
Let me zoom out real quick. Okay, so what we got going on here? This is an IKEA desk. I think it's called IKEA Malm with the pull-out pulley. But back to it. Hey, let's get it. So we're gonna just start off from right to left, because I don't know how to do this. Once again, I'm not a tech YouTuber just yet, but I'm on the way to it. So this right here is called a YESIE 4-inch cordless LED cube bay. Yeah, it's very much worth the money. By the way, still got links, hella links in bio.
Yo, I linked all my links together and we just started a new website called linkedin.com.
Moving on, we got the, man, this is called the Arion Legacy 2.1. It's not Bluetooth, it is wired, but the sound is on point, trust me. Okay, we moving on. Can't forget about this. This is very important. You need to blow your nose. You got to do it with the money Benjamin rolls. Yes, sir. I think I got this from Amazon. I'm not 1000% sure, but yeah, we just got some RGB light controllers. Moving on. Oh yeah. I can't forget about this while we're here. This video get 10,000 likes or views, we're gonna have a giveaway. This right here is the original Magic Mouse and keyboard, brand new, never used, came with this, but you know I got this right here, but we're gonna get to that in a minute. So just for the record, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't even know what I'm doing, golly. But okay, let's move it right along. This right here is actually a custom built USB NVMe SSD drive. I'm trying to tell y'all, this right here got speeds that'll slap your mama. I ain't joking. Hella links in the bio.
Yo, links for days, guys. Trust.
If you ain't know, this right here is just really just a backup. It's a terabyte. Gotta upgrade that soon though. So this wireless keyboard is definitely impressed me so far. As you see in the video, it's got 3 different brightness levels, 7 different colors to choose from. Usually I just keep it at the basic, either blue or white, and I keep it at the lowest brightness. But yeah, so far so good. I definitely recommend it. Beats by Dre's. Everybody knows about these. If you don't know about them so far, I don't know what you've been sleeping on. But yeah, I really don't even use these for the computer. I just use these in the gym. I got separate editing headphones that I plug in when I'm on a serious project. Oh yeah, this right here is called the Elgato. Wait, let me go back to the name of it actually, so I can get it 100% right for y'all. Right here, we got the iPad mini. I'm not even sure what gen this is. I think it's gen 2, but we got the case. that case going is what make it right here. Golly, ain't it just beautiful? It feel real nice too. But okay, moving on. Once again, I gotta talk about this because y'all don't believe me. This is a custom built thumb drive NVMe SSD. When I tell you this is fast, this is SSD too, but don't worry about that. We talking about this right now. This is so fast that you can literally transfer 10 gigs in like 5 seconds. And that ain't no cap. Okay, moving on. This right here is a 15-inch MacBook Pro that I was working on. Fully supported my YouTube dream until I got this beast right here. This is a mid-tier 2017 iMac upgraded SSD, 512 SSD, 3.8 gigahertz. Yeah, it's a beast. Ain't giving me no problems with Final Cut. Moving on. What else? Oh yeah, I didn't talk about this yet. This is a FloPad RGB LED. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let me look it up actually. This also has, I think it's 12, 11 colors. I might be wrong. But yeah, I usually leave it on this is pretty cool too, the little gradient mode. But yeah, 2 levels of brightness. And I usually leave it, wait, let me go through, yeah, this little gradient mode right here. This is the one I leave it on the most. I think I like this one the most out of all of them. Usually the bottom color and the top color is different. You can tell the most at the controller itself. But yeah. Oh yeah, and how can I forget to talk about this? Yeah, so this right here is called a, pulling it up right here so I don't get the name wrong like I always do. You can count on me to get it wrong. You feel me? Okay, this right here is called a lightning neon sign desk topper. It's icy as you can tell. Yes sir, it just creates that overall ambiance that it gets you right during the edit right here. Yeah, so I think that's gonna wrap this video up. First tech video in the books. I think I give myself like a B-. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Plenty of different projects on the way. Next video, I don't know, I might do a review on certain items that I mentioned. Or I know for sure I'm gonna have a couple of different jailbreak videos and like best jailbreak setup tours. So yeah, I don't.
Yeah.